Hey Tabafethu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
My fans on the TV, it's the CAF Champions League, Orlando Pirates 0, MCA 0, I'm joined by Abel.
Hey, Dango.
Greetings, and I hope everyone is happy. I come here with the man of the match himself. I was with the coach.
Dango.
He took my jacket.
Dango.
And besides saying a lot of things, I would like to say first congratulations to Orlando Pirates. These boys went away, they went and they came back with a goal. And even today, we're still representing that CAF African Cup.
Yes, sir.
We still need more stars. And the boys are showing us that they are the stars themselves. And to say a very brief message to our lovely coach. That guy is the best. He has gave us 5. And I'm telling you, coach, we believe in you. You're going to give us the rest of the 2. There is CAF. Sunday, I know you're going to push us through to Nedbank. We love you. We respect you with your own respect and most dignity. We give it to you and your family for giving us your 3 years of your time. You have children. You have a wife, you have a family, except of us being the fans. But being the fans, we're part of your family. We love you, coach. We respect you. We validate you. For today,
Yes, sir.
we give this guy. See this
sir.
guy, guys? He comes all the way. And he has never disappointed us. Excuse me for my language. He has never disappointed us. The coach today, I gave him something out of my heart. A jacket. And he actually told the security to stop. Please, let me talk to this guy. And he came to me. And he said, no, I appreciate you. I thank you. I value all the fans of Orlando Pirates. I love you all. I will give it my best for the remainder of the season. Thank you, Stibo. May God bless your broadcast.
Thank you, Jayam.
Always and forever.
Thank you,
God bless.
Thank you for message.
Quarter festival, ma fête Mpumalanga Ntwareni. Quarter festival.